Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a summertime um, kitchen vignette hosted by the lovely Denise Jordan of the channel This and That. So I'm going to explain to you what my summertime vignette is all about. Okay, let's get started. Well, we were asked to have a few requirements that was part of the display. We were asked to have a floral. It could be fresh flowers or it could be artificial flowers. As I love fresh flowers and I keep them in my home, and particularly I keep them in my kitchen all year around. So the blooms that I have is Alstroemeria. I have oh my gosh, my mind just went blank. Hydrangeas I have, and these I'm not too sure about. They look like it possibly could be something about the dragon something. I'm not sure. I really have forgotten what this flower is about. So if any of you guys are watching and you know what this flower is, maybe it's azaleas. It could be azalea. Anyway, if you know what it is, let me know. Okay, and then of course our leaves. So I just love fresh flowers. So and then I put it in this picture. I always use this as a vase for my flowers. So it somewhat has a farmhouse look. So that's why I use this. And then we were asked to have something with words. And so I have a recipe book here, and it says desserts. Of course, the title is New Flavors for Desserts. And so I wanted to make this my dessert tray. We were also required to have a tray. So here's my tray right here. And then we were asked to have an animal. It could be a cow, it could be a bird. And I'm not really into too many of these little kinds of things because they're sketchers. But I was looking around, looking and searching. Although Denise told us not to spend, this is a no spend collab and project. However, as I said, I don't have little things like this in my home. So I had to look around, and I was in Burlington, and this is what I found, this little bird. And basically the top comes off, which is so cute. You could use this to what I would use it for, if I'm going to use it in my kitchen, I would use it, because actually I found this in the kitchen accessory area of Burlington. I was going to say Bloomingdale's. Yeah, Bloomingdale's is my store, but I don't think I would have found this at Bloomingdale's. So this you could put honey in. I was looking at this and I was studying this. Well, if I wanted to really use it, what would I use it for? And so I said, hey, this would be good for honey, because I do use honey, excuse me, in my tea. It's almost like I got something in my throat. Yeah, so I would use this for honey if I wanted to use this. So this was required, something with word or words was required. Our floral was required, and a tray was required. And also, okay, I put my towels, my dish towels, because they look very much farmhouse. So, especially the plaids, they look very much, as I said, farmhouse. And then, of course, this is for my dessert. I use these in the summer when I make like custards and frozen yogurt. So I use these, and guess what? La, 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 la. So you have your little dessert spoons as well. These were purchased from Crate and Barrel. Don't go there looking for it because you won't find them anymore. I've had these for years. And also, we are to show and share with you a picture of something farmhouse. So since I love furnishings from Ethan Allen, I went through one of my Ethan Allen books, and I found two lovely pictures that I want to share with you guys of a farmhouse look. So I hope you guys can see it. La 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 la. That's one. And then let's go to the next one. I thought this one was really, really nice. Although it's farmhouse, but it says with a coast, it's country meets coast. And basically the only thing that I see is coast is the blue swimsuit and towels in the back. I feel like a teacher again. That was my profession, teaching. So I feel like I'm showing something to my class as I show you this, because when you teach the little young ones, this is how we do. So yeah, there is very much farmhouse. Yeah, and of course this with the tree branches and the basket and this wingback chair, that is definitely farmhouse. So yeah, so guys, that's all I have for you today. So thank you for stopping by, visiting. Please check the playlist that's down in the description box so you can go over and see some of the other participants, their presentations. Also check out Denise Jordan, check out her channel, her presentation. Don't forget, subscribe to all the participants of this wonderful, wonderful collab, Summer Kitchen Vignette. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel, thumbs up on this video, like this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Love all you guys. And before I go away, I want to really give my thanks and appreciation to all of my new subscribers that have subscribed to this channel recently. I thank you so much, and I hope you will enjoy this channel as much as I am in enjoyment over having you to be a member of this family. So take care, guys. Catch you.